Hi all of you, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a header and navigation bar. So let's get started. First let me make a file. So I will make a file like a new file, and I will write here uh, this is my 13th video. So let me write 13.html. Okay, so first let me insert my boilerplate. Okay, after that what I have to make. So I have to make a navigation bar. So let me write header first. Okay, now in this header I will write nav is for navigation bar. This is a tag which is known as nav. Okay, nav.navbar. So why I wrote dot, because it is my class. So dot navbar means, now if I press enter, as you can see automatic class is created because I wrote dot. If I wrote hash, so it will be id. So now in this I will make ul. Now many of you, I think all of you know what is ul, unordered list. Okay, in this I will make like uh, 4, like 5. Let me write 5 li means list, unordered list. Okay, so first let me show you what is navigation bar, how that looks like. So like this is a website, and this navigation bar, this top part is in every, you can say in every website you see. So there is home, shop, diet plan, workout plan, contact us, store location. So I'm not cloning it, so don't think like that I'm cloning this, but I will be writing like first home. Okay, and now let's say uh, what I will write about us. Okay, now third thing will contact us. Okay, now fourth thing is service. Okay, now last one, what I can give, let me just see from here. Shop, product check, I think store location. So let me write not store location, just location. Okay, so first let me see that how this is looking. Let me save by pressing ctrl plus s. Now I will open my live server. Okay, it's time to open this. My navigation bar is, my list is created but not the navigation bar. So how can I convert this? So now it's time to add css. So let's see how can I add css. First let me write style. Okay, for adding css. Now in this style I will write first, let me close this. First I will write nav, my class is navbar, header nav. So let me write dot nav bar because it is a class. Okay, dot nav bar. Now it's time for open curly braces. Dot nav bar, what should I do now? Let me write float left. Okay, float left. So let me see what happens when I write this float left. Nothing happened. Why nothing happened, I don't know. Let me add some more features, like some more properties. In navbar there is float, and what I can do here, there is a list. Okay, let me write this float to ul. So let me remove this and let me write background color. Which background color should I take? Black, I think black is good. So now let's see. So you can see that my content is, now I can't see my content. So first let me write here like this, dot nav bar, dot nav bar li. Okay, and li color azure. Okay, which means white. So now let's see. So I can see now. Okay, so I want to place them here like this. Okay, in horizontal form. So how can I do this? I can do this by dot nav bar. Okay, now ul. Now nav bar means, uh, first let me show you. So how I am targeting these tags. So like dot navbar means class. In this class, in this navbar I have ul and I have li, so I am targeting like navbar ul. Understand? So now I can do float. Okay, float left. Let me see it works or not. I can't see anything. uh, I don't know why. Let me just do color black. I think black. So let me check. It is showing, but it the float doesn't working. I don't know why. uh, it is not working right now. Let me do one thing like navbar li black. Okay, so let me try this in my uh, li section. Okay, now let's save. So now you can see that it is working now. My this list is now horizontally placed. So what I can do, I can do like first let me remove this. Okay, for now. And let me do like text to first let me show you. To remove these dots, what I can do, I can do text decoration. Okay, none. Okay, none. Let me save. Now if I do refresh, nothing is happened. Why nothing happened? Why nothing is happening? uh I think not text decoration. I forgot. List style. List style none. I think this will work. Let me check. Now you can see my dots are now uh, removed. So now it's time to give some padding. Okay, some padding to this li padding. Now I will write padding which 5 px, and here also I will give 5 px. Okay, now let's save. So let's see. uh, so you can see the change right now. So let me just configure from Google developer tools from by inspecting this. If I do like here, just watch here where is my cursor is. So as you can see, I don't want here. I want here. Yeah, and I also like this. Yeah. So 1320. So 1320 is my value. So I will write here 13 uh, 20. Okay, so now you can see that this is my value. So it is uh, changed permanently. Their places changed permanently. So this is a great tool of by Google developers. So let me do one more thing. I just want to give background color as well. Background color should be let me see it is appearing or not. Ctrl plus s to save. Now it is not appearing. Why? I think I should give here overflow auto. Okay, so after that I think, yeah. So my you can see that this is appearing. So first let me do this, that where is my black color? Okay, here it is. So I just give it a white color, and now I will give this a black color. so it is more, you can say, it is more it will make more attractive. So I just want to show you. If I press this, so now you can see that uh, so I think this is pretty much good. So let me do one thing that uh, now it's time to change something else, like I don't want these sharp borders. I want that curvy part. So let me do one thing that I will do here. LIUL, I think I should give here border. Okay, border radius, I give 0 px. After that I can configure it from here as well. Where is my header? This is my navbar. I think where is my I think I haven't saved it, so let me save navbar 0 px. Okay, or I can write 1 px. Okay, now because 0 px is default, so let me check it is appearing here or not. It is not appearing. Why it is not appearing? uh, so now you can see that it is now appearing, and just look at this part where is my pointer is. Just look here, and I will change value here. Okay, so I think this value is enough. It is 20, so let me write here 20 as well. Okay, now I think my navigation bar is looking pretty much good. So now it's time to write Google fonts. Okay, now it's time to give some Google font, like I want to give something crazy. So let me see first which is a good one for that. I think this is also looking very great. So let me copy this link, and here from here. Okay, now I have copied this link. I have to paste here in the head tag, already as you already know all know. Okay, now first I have to do command palette toggle word wrap to wrap all the content. Okay, uh, now it's time to copy the font family as well. Okay, now let me copy and paste in this li part. I think I have to paste in this. So let me do there is one more feature which I have not talked about yet. There is a format document, like you can see that it is now here. But if I do format document, so it is now in the in this navbar li. Okay, so now let me save it, and let's go to my document. So let me, so now you can see that it is changed, but it is not looking that great uh, as I expected from this. I don't know why it is not looking that great. So let me explore some more font. I think this is also good. Okay, so let me copy this link as well and copy here. Okay, so first let me do format document. Now you can see it is adjusted automatically. Let me see this font is good or not. First copy this and paste here. First let me uh, yeah, paste here. Now again format document. So let me save and check how it is looking now. It is not a, let me see what is the problem. Bangers, uh let me, bangers cursive symmetry. uh I don't know why it is not showing style 64 px. 47 px. Now take it like 10 px. Okay, I'm again copying it and pasting here. I think this is the same. Let me do format document, let me save. Now uh, again, so I don't like this font, so let me do one thing. Let me remove this. Okay, so now I will add font family from VS Code only. Cursive I don't want. uh, let me check this Cambria. Okay, and now it's time to refresh. So now I think this writing, this font is pretty much good. Also I can add font weight, like I want font bold. Okay, let me save. So I think this is looking pretty much good. And it's time to add search bar as well. So I can add search bar like in this area also. In this area only I can add search bar like this. How I can add first before adding a search bar, let me do one thing more. Let me write here, not here. uh, let me write here. Okay, a a is for adding link. Okay, wait a minute, what happened now? A it is not suggesting. Let me do one thing. Let me write first. I have to remove this. Okay, because VS Code is treating like normal writing, normal text. Okay, now it's time to add a. Okay, not here, here, here and here. Okay, a. Why it is writing here? I don't know why. uh, First let me write here. First let me remove this and write a. So it is now suggesting a href. In href I will write hash. And in I think I should give a class as well, or just let me write nothing. I think this is pretty much good. And in this I will write home. Okay, and what I have taken about us, about us. Now it's time for contact us. Okay, and here what I have written, services. Okay, and here location. I think this is pretty much good. So let me check, let me refresh. It is doing nothing. I think a href home, about contact us, service, location. Okay, I don't know why it is not treating as a link. So now you can see that these are now a link. Okay, now you can see that. So first thing is to first let me create a nav bar li a. Okay, now it's time to give some CSS to this as well. What CSS should I give? First is like text decoration none. Okay, to remove underline. If I refresh, now you can see underline is gone. Now my another task is to color this color, I think azure white. It is pretty good. So now it is again white, and these are now links. As you can see that the pointer is appearing like a hand. So these are now links. So now it's time to uh, create a search bar. Okay, so how can I create a search bar like this? uh, Here I will write div dot search. Div dot search means div, and in that uh, div dot search means div, and search is the class of that division. Okay, like this. So in that I will write input. Okay, input, let me scroll down, and here is your search. Okay, and I will give id a name search. Okay, and also id whichever I want, I will give search as well here also. So now I think I should write here search, or just let it be like this. Okay, so let's see first where is my search bar. So it is appearing here, as you can see that. So if I write here a placeholder in which I will write search here, or not here, here search here. Okay, now let's save. Now if I refresh, so you can see that, so this is my placeholder, but I want this behind my face, you can see here, but I want here. So what I can do, I can do like a input. Okay, search. So I can give some padding like this, a padding. Okay, 1px for y-axis, 1px for x-axis. Okay, and I will configure it from Google Dev Tools. Okay, just inspect here, and I can configure from here. It is not changing. Why? Okay, I haven't clicked here. So let me give first margin as well. Margin 2px, and here 5px. Okay, let's save, and now here I can configure as well from here. Border box, inspect here. Okay, I don't know why it is not appearing. Let me just save again. Now let me refresh. Let me first cut this, and now I can again inspect. So it is 1px, right? 1px. Okay, so now it's time to configure here, but it is not configuring. I don't know why. I think navbar lia, navbar l. Okay, sorry. So this is of navbar lia. So first let me create a new dot nav no dot search. Okay, dot search, which is my this class. As you can see here, where is my class search? This class. Okay, so I am targeting this class. So let me just write curly braces in which I will give first padding. Okay, padding I will give 2px, and in y-axis, and 2px in x-axis. Okay, also margin 1px y-axis, 1px for x-axis. I think this is enough. Now I can configure from here. Okay, let me just inspect again. I don't know why it is not doing. First let me, so yeah, there it is. So let me first change here. I want this. Okay, so now you can see that my search bar is taking place, and I want I don't want this. So let me do here 10 1. I think 10 1 is enough, and I want this bar here. So let me do some, let me give margin. So I think I don't give margin, I want to give this in x-axis. Okay, but it is not uh, appearing. So first let me do 10 1 is my value of this. Just let me write 10, and of this 2 1. So I think this is close 1 1. Let me do it 2 1. Okay, so I saved this configuration. Let me see that how it is now looking. It is looking pretty much good. First I can also do like remove these corners. So how can I remove these corners? By adding uh, let me show you, by adding some properties like wait, nav bar, search bar. Okay, after this I can write here border radius. Okay, border radius, and I can write like 3px. Now let me configure it. So just look at there. So look here, I don't know why it is not incrementing. So now it will increment. Dot nav bar input. Okay, so let me configure input like first I have to give like border radius like 3px. Okay, so I have given a border radius 3px. Now let me just uh, let me refresh first, and here you can see now if I, so you can see that the value of this is I think 25 is better. Okay, so my the value of this is 25, and I will save now here. So now my last task is first let me add one more thing which is known as label. What label does, first I will show you that if I go here, so you can see that it is not it is not responding something. Okay, so first let me write label label. Okay, label search, search. Okay, now in here I will write what I will write, I will write search, search. Okay, so let me save here, and let's see, you can see that it is shifted. Wow, So first let me give some padding and all those things I have already given. So let me just inspect border radius. No, I don't want here. I div class search. So now I can change something. I don't want this. I want horizontally. Horizontally is not working. Let me try on margin. Margin is working, but this is not working. Why? I think I have missed something. Let me just close this first. In my nav bar, I should give a padding as well. Padding. Okay. How much I will give? Px, 4px and 5px for x. Now let's save. Now it's time to configure here. Let me first refresh. Now let me clear. So now I can do here. Uh, so now you can see that it is going there, but I don't want this. I just want to place this element here. So there is a Java update available. Okay, wow, that 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 is a good news. So first let me do padding. I think here I want to give some padding. So let me do here li. So if I give padding to this, let me. So in yeah, so now you can see that. So this is my 35 would be 37 or 35 would be, I think, a great number, 13. So let me change here from here 35. So like that you so the web development is like a hit and trial method, as I already told you in my last video also. So just uh, hit and try and the things will work. Just don't quit and do by yourself. I think this is pretty much good. And also I can add, like I will show you navbar lia text decoration. uh, so I can add here, I can add one more thing like nav dot nav bar lia a colon hover hov hover. So here I can add like if I want to hover this, so I can add which color should I give? uh, on black, I think red color should be suit very well. So I want to give text color, okay, color red. So now it's time to refresh, and now you can see that if I hovering on these icons, now there is red color is appearing. So how cool is that? So it is like it is very easy to create website. It is not that hard you think, but just try by yourself. I would say that just try by yourself. And also let me just write what I will write. I will write navigation bar. Okay, so now it's time to comment. Okay, now if I list starts from here, list. Okay, I am doing this because of you all guys, so you can understand my code when I write, when I put it in my document, so you can understand very well. Okay, and I think where should I add comment? So now here I can also add like div class search. So now I can give search bar search search bar. Okay, so let me comment it. And I think this is much uh, just practice by yourself and do whatever you want. And I think this is more curvy than this, so let me increase this also. So first let me do inspect, and in inspect I will go to navbar. Border radius should be I think more, yeah, yes, 50. I think 50 is good number, so let me make it 50. Okay, where is my nav bar? Here it is, 50. I think now my nav bar is looking great, looking as you all are watching now, it is looking pretty much good. And just try by yourself. All the source code is in the description. There is a document link I have linked, so just open that link and you can access this source code, you can access this whole source code. So I am also learning by I am also learning web development, and I am showing whatever I am learning. So you just have to do like this. You don't have to buy any course. Just do this and just practice enough. Just practice more and more. And in future, I bet you I will be making clone of whichever site, whichever website you say I can clone this. The confidence is building like that. So you can see, so you can also do these stuff, just practice this stuff and create your own navigation bar. And yeah, I think this is pretty much good. And in the day after tomorrow I will be making a website also, so just stay tuned with this channel. You will be learning a lot of stuff. So I think this time is now to sign out. So bye for
ਉਹ ਜੱਟ ਹੱਸਲੇ ਨ ਕਰਦਾ ਏ ਖਬਰੋਂ ਜਨਵੇਂ ਫੜਦਾ ਏ